Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? So dear student, we are going to start our new chapter, software. There are different types of operating system like Microsoft, Windows, MS-DOS, Unix, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Starting up or booting. When you switch on computer, you see the Windows startup screen. The loading wheel indicates that Windows is preparing the starting sequence or boot presses. The first thing it reprints you, it's the user account on logon screen. Select your user account and type the password and press enter key. On click on the arrow, click you will let's see the welcome screen. Your personal settings are being set up. And this means that Windows 10 will use and choose and back up the picture and color scheme and reach the desktop icons the way you enter the things. Desktop. When we switch on the computer, the first screen that appears loading the windows is called the desktop screen or simply desktop. It is a word area which objects and icons, menus, and windows and dialog boxes are appeared. The desktop is made up of five sections. Number one, desktop icons, start buttons, active taskbar, the middle taskbar, and notification area. Now, first desktop icons. Icons is a small picture of symbol that represent a programs, a file, a folder, and the same way a school bag has where a books with a label of each book, this being the name of the subject. We can also add some kind of files and folders as frequently used. Icons are labeled with enable the programs or document and executes. To open any file, just double click on the icon. Common types of icons are desktop are as follows: username folder, network, Microsoft Edge, this PC, and recycle bin. The rest of the desktop is made up of other four items which are joined together to make a one setup bar at the bottom of the screen. Start button. It is displayed as the lowest left corner. This is used to display apps programs, open apps and programs, change the setting, and shut down the computer. Now student, this is the start button. Start button is very helpful to reach or to go any kind of program. We find the start button at the left bottom corner of the screen. If we want to go any kind of program, so we also click on this button, and this button helps us to go and find the choiceable program. Look at the circle at the left hand side. Yes, this is the start button. If we click on this button, which is weighted at the left bottom corner of the taskbar, it opens another start menu, which is already is at the right hand side. As you will take here, you can see that this kind of a start menu will act it, and so many files and programs here. It means that when you will click on the start button, all these programs will be opened and you can choose the choiceable programs for. So start button is helping us as the main bit of the computer. How? If you want to reach and if you want to start any kind of task in a computer, so we all have to click on the start button. Means we all have to open the door of the computer so that I can reach. And if you don't find any choiceable program in this particular folder or this menu, then we have another search area. Here we have to type the name of a program, and then that program will the start menu. So dear student, there is the end of the chapter. See you in the next class. Jazakallah.